Chic Designs. I really love this. I got this on my latest shopping spree at Michael's, and I'm not sure if these kits are like a new release of like 2021 or not, but I was so happy to see them. This is a black owned company, and in 2021 I'm definitely trying to support more black businesses. So when I saw these, not only were the stickers super cute and they represent me, but they also are helping small creative black businesses, as well as she's from the hometown, so I definitely had to support. She's also based out of Maryland, which I'm originally from Baltimore, so it was just like a win-win for me. I couldn't pass this up. So I got like 7 things, and I'm gonna do a video on my haul that I did with these, because I got a few weekly kits like this, as well as some washi tape. So I'm really excited. I haven't really worked with washi tape before, so this should be interesting, but I'm always looking to further expand and just get a little bit more creative with my planning. So I've really been into leopard and just animal prints recently, so why not do that for this week? We're gonna end the first month of the year off pretty much on the wild side this time. So I loved all the different shades of leopard, and just everything was just really nice. I just couldn't pick just one style, so I just wanted to use a lot of them really. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I pretty much used 100% just this kit. I didn't use any other stickers, just because I just wanted it to have a complete look. And I'm really excited because next month is my birthday month as well as my anniversary month, so I'm looking for some really cute stickers and doing something really elaborate for next month, so stay tuned for that. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this. You will definitely be seeing more kits that use these Capitol Chic Designs, because I just love them. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think about it. Have you tried any of her sticker books, and if so, what should I try next? Thanks, and I will see you guys in the next one.